How to upload content to Twitter. In order to upload content to Twitter, you can compose a post with text, photos, videos, or GIFs. The process is slightly different depending on whether you're using the mobile app or website as well. In my case, I'm using a mobile app, so launch open a Twitter X application, login. After which, you could see at the bottom right corner of the screen there is the plus button. Click that out. You select whether it's photo, post, or whatever it is. Select that. Now then, you want to go ahead and select the particular image or the post that you wish to upload. I'm going to go with this, after which you want to go ahead and adjust the size and all that as well. Add in a title, add in a comment as well if you want to. After which, you could go ahead and add a location as well if you want to. Then click the post button. And this way you'll be able to upload content to Twitter. So that's the way you will be able to upload. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.